Hello YouTube, it is cold out here. It's only like 55 degrees and I mowed my yard. We're tired of this gas can. We put gas in our truck that sits in the yard and it wasn't enough to make it to the gas station really, so we went and got some gas and filled it up 5 gallons. It took forever to get in the truck. So this is what we're going to do. We used our step bit, 3/4 hole. Look close enough. Got a piece of wire here. So we're going to thread the wire from here over to, you know what I mean, which way. Wire is going to feed from here to here and pull this up in there. So we have to take this off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll pull it up through there. This has the guts out of it. You know, the inside take out with your valve tool. So we'll just unscrew the plastic cap when we want air. We're tired of this thing. Glug, 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 and the sides suck in and out, and it's a wheezing and everything else. And I don't know who invented this thing. That's all there is for a nozzle. It doesn't even have that air tube. Somebody said that someone had that air tube on here, but we'll take a picture if it does, so stay tuned. Well, it sort of does. See that? It doesn't do any good. I don't know how far that goes in there. We may go on the desk and see if we can chop that out of there and get that out of there. It does not work right. So stay tuned. We'll get this thing wired through here and pull it in and we'll be done. Got our wire threaded through there. It's just MIG wire, whatever. Any kind of wire that you got. This had a flat spot right here. So it looked like the best place to put it. So stay tuned. We're on our way to getting done. This is really a quick fix here. Not hard to do at all. Okay, we're done. When we want air, we'll just take the plastic cap off. So we're going to eventually look at that nozzle. So the video will be a little bit longer if I can get that piece out of that nozzle. If not, this will be the end of it. So we'll see. Just stay tuned. We're going to go inside at the desk and see what it looks like. Okay, that's just too far in there. It's too much work to take that out of there. I don't want to ruin the nozzle, so we'll put it back together just the way it is. I know it'll work better. At least it can get air. So thanks for watching. We'll leave you a couple of pictures of it.